culture from Northeast will really inspire our music souls. So I contacted Mr. Raisen and he told me that, ma'am, if you want to take the feel of this local music, then please come to our village. This is Lenching village, Shillong, Meghalaya, and we are really blessed to have such an experience of the soulful music, self-trained artists, and such a warm, welcoming heart and people of Lenching village and the headman of Lenching village that we can't express the moments we spent here. Our souls are really fulfilled. As a Raga Club of Hyderabad, our motto is to enlighten your musical spirits. So, your village people and the artist and this rock star singer, what is your name? Vaibha. Vaibha is the true rock star of Northeast and India, who is a real performer. What the beats, what the music, and we really blessed to have such vibrant culture in India, which makes us really special. Ours is a club in Hyderabad, all about music. Its name is Raga, and Raga in English means a traditional melodic framework used for improvisation, derived from the Sanskrit word color or mood. It is not a fixed tune or scale, but a set of specific musical notes is the meaning of raga.
Kasun Nanong Kendang.
Kasun Nanong Kandang.
Their bands.
Kasun Nanong.
I will show you the link.
So, see, music has no boundaries. Music is the treat to ears, and music in whichever, this is what is famous about music. Music is music in every language. So even the Kasuna Nong Kendang. In Kasuna Nong Kendon, music is also a music, and music has no boundaries. It has rhythm, it has soul and tune, which can be in any language. So this is a message for all the music lovers and all the event managers and all the celebrities and celebrating people of India. If you want to do something new, don't look around the world. Look in India, in such villages like Lenching and in Meghalaya, where so many people have made a cultural troupe, and they are really promoting music, and they can give you such magical moments. So I want you to ask your event managers to organize or to plan such an event where they call the local artists of different villages of India. Just like we have experienced a local artist from Lenching village, Meghalaya. So ours is a group of 110 ladies in Raga group in Hyderabad, and all of us are very good homemakers, but we have such hobbies like music and art. So many of us have really visited Shillong, Meghalaya. But for me, this is the first time, and for a club as a whole, this is the first time that we have come to Shillong for such an cultural experience and listen to the local music of Lenching village. And thanks to Mr. Raisen and Headband.